Before the flood, before Israel, before the church, a darker story was unfolding beneath the surface of Scripture, a story Jesus himself exposed when he cast out demons. The question is simple: where did demons come from? The answer is not. Most believers assume demons are fallen angels. But Scripture never says that, not once. Instead, the Bible paints a far more ancient, far more violent, far more tragic origin. To understand demons, you must go back to the days when angels crossed a line God never permitted. You must return to Genesis 6, the most disruptive rebellion in human history. It was the moment when heaven invaded earth illegally, and the consequences still torment humanity today. The Bible calls these angels sons of God, Bene Elohim, a term always used for divine beings, never humans. These angels left their assigned realm, abandoned their heavenly estate, and descended into human corruption. They took human women, not by force of seduction, but by force of rebellion. And from this union came a race the Bible calls Nephilim, giants, hybrids, violent, corrupted, and unredeemable. These beings were not human. They were not angelic. They were something else entirely. They were the first generation of hybrid offspring, born in bodies but not created by God. They were the result of angelic rebellion and human vulnerability, and their existence triggered the flood. But here is the key. When the flood destroyed their bodies, their spirits did not die. These spirits were not allowed into heaven. They were not made for it. They were not sent to hell. Their judgment is not yet. They were not annihilated. Spirits do not cease to exist. Instead, they became earthbound, restless, bodiless, and hostile. These spirits became what Scripture calls demons or unclean spirits. This explains why demons crave embodiment. They were born in bodies. It explains why demons seek rest but find none. They were never meant to exist disembodied. It explains why demons fear the abyss. It is the prison of their fathers, the Genesis 6 angels. It explains why demons begged Jesus, "Do not send us to the abyss." It explains why demons begged for pigs. Any body is better than none. It explains why the pigs ran violently into the sea. Demons destroy whatever they inhabit. It explains why demons are territorial. They were born into regions, tribes, and bloodlines. It explains why demons are obsessed with flesh. They once lived in flesh. It explains why demons are weaker than angels. They are hybrid spirits, not heavenly beings. It explains why demons are unclean. Their origin is corruption, not creation. It explains why demons fear Jesus. He is the one who will judge both them and their fathers. The Book of Enoch, quoted by Peter and Jude, gives the clearest ancient explanation. It says, "When the giants died, their spirits rose from their bodies and became evil spirits on the earth. These spirits would afflict mankind, hunger and thirst, seek embodiment, cause violence, remain until final judgment." This matches Jesus' description of demons perfectly. Jesus said demons walk through dry places, seeking rest. Jesus said demons call a body my house. Jesus said demons return with 7 more wicked than themselves. Jesus said demons fear torment before the time. None of this describes angels. All of it describes disembodied hybrid spirits. Fallen angels are powerful, organized, and strategic. Demons are restless, destructive, and desperate. Fallen angels rule principalities. Demons torment individuals. Fallen angels appear in bodies at will. Demons cannot. Fallen angels are judged at the end. Demons fear judgment now. 2 different classes. 2 different origins. 1 ancient rebellion. The flood wiped out the bodies of the Nephilim, but their spirits remained. These spirits became the demonic realm Jesus confronted throughout his ministry. And every time Jesus cast out a demon, he was confronting the leftover spirits of the pre-flood world. He was confronting the children of the angels who rebelled. He was confronting the spirits that corrupted humanity before Noah. He was confronting the ancient enemies of God who still seek embodiment today. And he defeated them with a word. The cross sealed their fate. The resurrection crushed their authority. The return of Christ will finish their judgment. Demons came from the Nephilim, the hybrid offspring of fallen angels and human women. Their bodies died in the flood. Their spirits remained on earth. These spirits became demons. This is why demons behave the way they do. This is why they fear Jesus. This is why they seek bodies. This is why they roam dry places. They are the restless, bodiless remnants of a rebellion older than Israel, older than Moses, older than Abraham. And their final destination is the lake of fire, prepared for the devil and his angels. Until then, they remain the wandering spirits of the ancient world, defeated by Christ, exposed by Scripture, and powerless against the believer who walks in his authority. Where did demons come from? Thank you for watching this teaching with me. If it helped bring clarity, share it forward. Someone else may need it. Subscribe to stay connected as we uncover more of the hidden architecture of Scripture. Tap the bell so you don't miss the next revelation. Until next time, keep building in truth and keep your foundation strong. Jesus is the Lord.